With TalentLMS, you can use assignments to give learners training tasks to complete. Let's create one now. Open your course, click Add, go to Learning Activities, and select Assignment. Give your assignment a name and describe the topic here. Now let's set it up. Click the gear icon to access assignment options. Choose how the assignment will be marked as complete, when the instructor accepts the answer, or when the learner uploads their work. Let's go with the first option. You can also set an expiration date after which learners won't be able to submit their assignment, and a duration to set how much time the learners have ahead to complete the assignment. In TalentLMS, learners can submit their answers in free text, upload a file, record a video, audio, or their own screen. You can enable or disable these reply methods as needed. Once you've selected the desired options, click Save. Now, log in as a learner to test it out. Open the course and go to the assignment unit. Learners can submit answers based on the settings you chose. Let's upload a file. Learners can also edit their answers until they receive feedback from the instructor. Now, switch back to the instructor role to review the submission. Click Grading Hub from the left sidebar. Here you'll find all assignments sorted by user and course with their status. Let's check the assignment just submitted. You can switch tabs to view and download the file, grade it, add comments, and mark it as passed or not passed. Let's mark it as passed. As a learner, once your assignment is accepted, you can check your status and read your instructor's feedback. That's it. Now you know how to create, submit, and grade assignments in TalentLMS. Try it out and start engaging your learners today.